Hello beauties, it's me, Wangali from Two Chic Chicks with today's video. Today we're going to be talking about blow dryers. Like, how do you blow dry your hair? Do you use a regular blow dryer or do you use a brush blow dryer? Which one? Inquiry minds want to know. So if you want to know my thoughts on this, stick around. We are talking blow dryers today. The traditional blow dryer and the brush blow dryer. I purchased these blow dryers from Target. They're Revlon, both of them are Revlon products. We're gonna start talking about what I call the traditional blow dryer. These come mostly with attachments. This one, the only attachment I got with this one was a diffuser, but they can come with the nozzle that that goes to just a certain part of the hair, and then it comes with a brush or a comb. Well, maybe I should have got the brush and the comb, but I didn't. And I just used the brush, you know, my hair brush to dry my hair. This, for me, takes me a long time. I don't get the outcome I want with it because I use it for my hairstyles. Most of my hairstyles, if it's a 2-strand twist or 2-strand flat twist, it starts on blown out hair. And I use it so that I can, I basically use the reason I blow it out is because the ends of my hair, they are so tight and kinky. So tight and kinky. So I want to straighten it so I can get elongated hair to start my style with. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know how to use it properly or whatever the circumstance is. It just does not give me what I'm looking for when I'm doing my hair. I want it to be a little straighter on the ends or just get my hair blown out. It takes me forever to blow my hair with this. Using this and a brush, trying to blow my hair, it's forever. It is really forever. And then on top of that, I feel like I might be pulling out half of my hair, which I know I'm not, but I'm just saying, it feels like it. It's just, to me, too cumbersome for me to try to work two things at the same time. Maybe that's the problem. I'm trying to use two things at the same time. And it's just not, it doesn't give me what I'm looking for. Now, the other use for this is I have a cap that I put on here on this nozzle, and then I put the cap on my head and I can blow dry my hair with that. I only did that in an emergency because I just had the cap for forever, but I did it in an emergency. Other than that, I really don't use it for that, but it is worth thinking about using. And the thing about it is, it would be so much easier to store if you were to use it like that. So that's what this one does. Let's talk about the brush. You just saw my face light up. I love it. The con on this one is thick to the hand. You have to really, but I can work it. You know, it's only one piece and I can work it. And I work it from the ends first. And my ends get straight with this. I get the result I am looking for. And in less than half the time, my husband, I walked out one day, he was like, "You done blow drying your hair?" I was like, "Mm-hmm." He said, "That was quick." I'm like, "Dang, it was, wasn't it?" Yeah. The time on me doing this is so much quicker to use. I love it. But like I say, trying to, this part, I wish they could figure a way to make it a little smaller. If your hand is smaller than mine, I got big hands. If your hands are smaller than mine, I can see you having a time trying to use it. But to blow out my hair and just, it works wonders. It works wonders. I really do like this one. So yes to this. This, it just stays in my arsenal in case I need it. But maybe I ought to just go ahead and buy some attachments to it. It didn't come with attachments, and I didn't buy any attachments. So, oh well. But this, see the handles on these? That's what I'm talking about. This one is so bulky, but I guess it has to be because the motor and everything is inside the bottom of this, so it has to be a little thicker. But they even have smaller ones now. This one is a large one for my hair, but they do have smaller size brushes. And these are, this is fantastic. It works for me. It gets me in, gets me out. You know, sometimes you just dread hair dry. The reason I dread it is the drying part. I dread it. And the combing out part. The detangling. Those are two things I dread. But the hair drying part now is made so much easier with this blow dryer. So, which one do you use? Well, if you stuck around for this video, because we're at the end of it, thank you so much. If you can do me a favor, take the time to click the like button, the subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell. And don't forget to comment in the bottom. I hope this video helped you out with some. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.